We have these long variety, which is beautiful, very productive, that I love cooking with and making soup with. But what we're doing today is we're going to be taking the white bitter melon. Yes, white bitter melon is not as bitter as the different types of watermelon. So here we go. We've got one white one right here. If you look, it's actually a white bitter melon, not as bitter. Again, that's why we're using this to make the salad.